Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Barclays US account. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Barclays US website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Security Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your security preferences. Step 3. Select Two-Factor Authentication. In the Security Settings menu, find the option for Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA. Click on this option to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and activate. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your chosen method, which may involve entering a code sent to your device. Once verified, confirm and activate two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Barclays US account with two-factor authentication. Remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated.